second finance minister. She is now taking charge of her office. As this time, Pragya, good morning. She didn't contest the elections. I believe that was for the first time on Times Now Summit when she made it clear that she's not contesting the elections. But here, when it comes to the big four, there has been no changes that have been made by the Modi Sarkar, and it seems that the Prime Minister deemed Nirmala Sitharaman suitable enough to continue with the charge of the Finance Ministry.
Well, there are many accolades that Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman has while she was the finance minister. Now she is taking charge of the finance ministry again. In Modi 2.0, there had been, reports from the global experts who had said that India is the only economy that is growing at a very nice pace. And in fact, the global reports also suggest that in next coming 3 years, it is going to grow on 6.7%. So, all those accolades at the time when the COVID hit, the world, and India was also badly hit, we tried to have our growth stable, and in fact many of the reports and experts have also suggest that India is the brightest economy on the spot right now, and they actually look up to India. So all these accolades are in her kitty, and the main challenge before her right now is to present the budget, because that was the interim budget that was presented in February, because the government was heading into the election. Now she has to add on to that and also present the budget. The challenges will be galore. There are many issues that need to be resolved, be it increasing the GDP, be it improving the banking sector, and there are many issues that needs to be resolved apart from the budget, and who will get what. This is a coalition government. This also need to be seen in this budget as well. So she has her hands full right now. She is taking charge of finance ministry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reposed trust and faith in Nirmala Sitharaman to run this ministry, to ensure that India leads the way, paves the way when it comes to GDPs and growth rate as well. We'll be meeting Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman shortly, but it is yet to be seen what is there in the budget. Given the fact that there is a coalition government, there will be demands from the allies as well, whether that will be accommodated in the interim budget or not. But it will be an extension of interim budget, what we have been given to, what we have been told right now. So all of that will be part of her task right now. She has got down to work, and this is continuity also in her ministry. They will taking what interim budget suggested forward.
Right, because Pragya, she being the full-time first woman finance minister who took charge of the ministry in 2019 and thereafter has continued, and this is the continuity that you're talking about, because her task is cut out, and she seems that she would now have to look into the measures to boost growth without hurting inflation, as well as also to look for resources to meet the coalition government's compulsion, as you mentioned.
You are absolutely right. So there will be permutation, combination, and also she'll be looking at where these funds can come from. There could be changes in GST also. There may be demands from she is heading the GST Council. There may be demands from the states as well. She's likely to give some suggestions also to increase and decrease GST, which may or may not be accepted by the states, is yet to be seen. But given the fact that there are many coalition partners and they want financial assistance, as they had told us off record, saying that they are not vouching for the ministry, but they would want financial assistance from center for the development of the many infrastructure projects. She all has to take that into consideration as well. Obviously, this will all be in consultation with the states, with other ministries, and also with Prime Minister's office. But we are given to understand that this is the main concern.
The coalition compulsion or the commitment, but he has to now, as far as Nirmala Sitharaman is concerned, this will be the foundation budget of Modi Sarkar 3.0, and she is continuing in her office as the finance minister. She's assumed charge. Thank you very much for the moment, Pragya, for getting us those details.